relationship with my selector. Even if I play with the Shajaya or Sativa, maybe it's just for the night, but it's needed because of the vibe. This is Catty Girl Princess, lyrical shit like a typical dancehall queen. But I done them with your sound system, cause maybe you select a one MC like me. But let me introduce you our Silesian power. We haven't legalized it yet, but we love the flower. You know there is much more with foreign influence. Empress Catty Girl is repping for the audience, yeah. I'm the number one. Woo! It's a mic and power and a robot up style. Let me go up on the mic and I will make you cry. You know I am your healing for your eyes, for your nerves, because of my music. It's a mic and power and a robot up style. Let me go up on the mic and I will make you cry. You know I am your healing for your eyes, for your nerves, because of my music, because of my girl power. Be ready for girl power. Be ready for girl power. Whoa.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding.
Skip the rope, jump the fence, make me laugh, make me dance. I don't care what you do, oh, I like you. Wake up to unlock all your dreams that were stuck. Summer days are so clear, now you are here.
never even thought to call. A light rain was falling, a freeway was crawling, but with the thought of the weekend, she ignored it all. And next week would be nearly 2 years since their meeting that warm summer night. And the dream she always dreamed from when she was a girl had finally made it to life.
from above.